Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you a new stitch, and it's this one. It's the mini cluster eyelet stitch, and this is how it looks at the front and the back. It is the same, and the eyelets are over here and the mini clusters are in between them, or you can say that the eyes are here. It's just how you want to see the eyelets in it. And this is one that I want to show you how you can crochet this stitch. So first take your yarn and make a slip knot. I'm using a crochet hook with 2.5 millimeters. So first your slip knot, and then start by chaining multiples of 4 plus 2. So first multiples of 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the beginning of my base chain with the multiples of 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, and then plus 2. So make your base chain as long as you want it, and then let's get started with row 1. Skip the first stitch, and in the next make a single crochet, chain 2, and then skip 1 stitch. In the next we are making a cluster of 2 double crochets or a 2 double crochet together. So yarn over, in that stitch draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, leave the other one, yarn over again, in that same stitch draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. So this is your cluster of 2 double crochets or a 2 double crochet together. So chain 2, skip 1 stitch, in the next stitch make a single crochet, chain 2, and this is how you continue this row, by skipping a stitch, and in the next one make a cluster of 2 double crochets together, and then chain 2, skip a stitch, and in the next stitch a single crochet, chain 2, skip a stitch, and in the next one make 2 double crochets together, chain 2, skip a stitch, and in the next one a single crochet, and you always have to end with a single crochet at the end of your row. Chain 2, skip a stitch, and the next one make 2 double crochet together, chain 2, and I have 2 stitches left, 1, 2, and the last one make a single crochet. So this is how row 1 looks like, with the single crochets and the clusters of 2 double crochets together. So for row 2, chain 5, turn your work, and in the top of the double crochet 2 together make a single crochet, chain 5, skip that single crochet, and in the top of that double crochet 2 together, make a single crochet, and repeat this for your row. So chain 5, skip that single crochet, and in the top of that mini cluster of double crochets, make a single crochet, so at the last 2 double crochets together, so I'm making a single crochet in the top of that stitch, and now chain 2, then the last stitch is over here, make a double crochet, so this actually counts as a 5 chain because you started with a chain 5 and now you have chain 2, and the double crochet counts as chain 3. Okay, so for row 3, chain 1, chain work, this doesn't count as a stitch, so on the first stitch make a single crochet, chain 2, then as first single crochet over here, make 2 double crochet together, chain 2, then a chain 5 space, make a single crochet, chain 2, and then in that single crochet of your previous row, make a 2 double crochet together, chain 2, and continue this for this row. So make a single crochet in the chain 5 space, chain 2, make a 2 double crochet together in that single crochet of your previous row, chain 2, and then a single crochet in a chain 5 space, chain 2, and then make a 2 double crochet together in that single crochet of your previous row, chain 2, and then in the third chain, 1, 2, 3, from your chain 5 of your previous row, make a single crochet. So here is how it looks like right now, and now just rewind until you are at row 2 and then start all over again. So just repeat row 2 and 3 for the rest of your work, and this is how you crochet the mini cluster eyelet stitch. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to comment what you think of this video, or if you have any questions, and just write it in the description box below, or in the comment section below, I'm sorry. And if you do not want to miss any of my new videos, subscribe to my channel, put on the notifications, and you'll get a message when I've uploaded a new video. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. See you next time. Bye bye.